Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word. And today's video, I will show you how to create clickable hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you highlight a particular text or keyword here you want to use. Like for instance, I want to use this highlight this strong written right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it this way. Once we highlight, next thing we want to do right here is to make sure once we highlight, next thing we want to do is to make sure we right click. When you right click and then go ahead and make sure you click on link, and this is going to pump up right here. Then you have to choose the folder that you want to create. So like for instance, this is a download folder right here, so you can go ahead and click on here and look for another folder that you have on your PC. That's what you see right there. So these are all folders in your PC. Okay, so let's go back to my download folder right here. I'm going to use a particular file in my download folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select this particular image file right here, and I'll go ahead and hit on OK. Now, just like what you see right here, this is a clickable link has been successfully added. So if I press enter key on my keyboard, it's going to redirect and completely load the link, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can create link for different kind of things, maybe PDF, image, or file, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.